Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. We've heard today this story and this narration about the nativity of Saint John the Baptist. Samot-sari po ang naging emosyon, ang mga karanasan, ang mga pagpapahayag o mga saloobin sa kanyang pagpapanganak. And I wish to point out this seeming truth that we all share with Zechariah and Elizabeth, and may we also add those people around them. Zechariah and Elizabeth, as we've heard this over the past days, lived in their own Advent. Naghintay din po sila na tugunin ng Diyos ang kanilang panalangin sa pamamagitan o sa katauhan ng kanilang magiging anak. But then comes the fulfillment of God's promise to them. Zechariah, which means God heard, and Elizabeth, meaning God has promised, has now given his fulfillment to their own dream, to their own Advent, John, which means God is gracious. There was much joy. People from every side were telling or were asking, what then will this child be? They were expressing their thoughts, maybe their dreams, maybe their own ideals. How will this child be in their midst? Sa sobrang saya nila, may pagdiriwang kahit yung kanyang pangalan ay mas nadagdagan pa ng dahilan para maging masaya sila dahil sa batang ito, nasa kanya ang kamay ng Diyos at siya ay palaala na mapagpala ang Diyos. This is a good inspiration to us, my dear brothers and sisters. A lot of us are still, even with the Christmas season about to come, might be in their perpetual experience of Advent, waiting for what God would fulfill in them, waiting for miracles, healing, graces that God will be bestowing upon them. But don't you forget, my dear brothers and sisters, after Advent comes always the fulfillment of God's goodness. Hindi man ho ngayon, pero ganyan ho magtupad ang Diyos. Ganyan ang kabutihan ng Diyos, na sa paghihintay, naroon din ang tagumpay ng pagyakap sa kanyang mga biyaya. That in the pains of waiting, just like Elizabeth and Zechariah and their neighbors, there will be much joy when we get to see what God has promised to us. For us, for you who are in Advent, look up to the story of Zechariah and Elizabeth and also their neighbors. They waited for so long, but as God blessed them, they rejoiced so much. And as God gave them this answered prayer to them, all the more they celebrated that indeed God is gracious.